Hey learner, this is Nileshhanumantborate. So in this video we are going to see the file handlings in a PHP. So see here, first one is that. So file handling perform the different operations in a file like the opening, reading, writing, closing, etc. So if you want to open a file and perform the some operation, then use the fopen function. So see, this is the syntax in a PHP. Return type is the boolean fopen, pass here the file name, then mode, and this is the include path and the context. So this include path and the context, both parameters are the optional. So file name is the name of the file, mode in which the mode we want to open the file, for example read mode, write mode, etc. Include path, set this parameter to 1 or true to specify that you want to search for the file in the PHP include path. Context modify or enhance the behavior of the data stream from and to files. If the open operation fail, then they return false and an error or failure. There is a one more function is that the fclose function. So this function is used to close the current opening file in a program. It free up the resources connected with that file. So this function return true if the file was closed successfully and false otherwise. So these are the some examples. We open the file, here we pass the file name, and this is your the mode, read mode. So this file is in a current directory. If the file is in the another directory, then pass here the path and then pass here the file name, and here this is mode, write mode. So after the operation of that file, we close the file, fclose function. Then see here, there are the different modes in a PHP. R open file for reading mode. If the file does not exist, then they return false. Then R plus, they open for the reading and the writing. Same W open for writing only. If file doesn't exist, then they create a new one, and the cursor is going to the first character of file. That is the beginning of that the file. W plus reading and the writing. Same here, if file doesn't exist, then they create a new one, and it is truncate the file data if the file have already exist. A means that the append. So this is only writing and this is reading and the writing mode. Append means that they open a file for writing mode. So if the file doesn't exist, then they create a new one, and it is the truncate the file data if the file is already exist, and the file pointer is goes to the end of the file. So this is the difference in between append and the write mode. In write mode, file pointer goes to the beginning of that the file, and here file pointer is goes to the end of that the file. Okay, then see here, there are the some built-in functions which are used to the reading and the writing the content of that the file. So by using the reading, we use the feof function or the fgets function and the fgetc function. So feof function means that the file end of file. So they test for the end of file on a file handling. You pass this function file handle, and it return true if you are at the end of the file. So this function is useful for the looping through the data of unknown length. fgets, this function is used to read a single line from a file. You can pass this function of file handle corresponding to an open file and optional length. So this is your the syntax, file pointer, and this is your the length. If the no length is specified, then the default length is that the 1024 bytes. Then the fgetc function, this is used to read a single character from a file. They return false when there are no more characters to be read. So this is your the syntax. So fgets is used to read a single character, fgets is used to read a string in that the file, and feof function is goes till your file is not going to the end. Okay, so next one is that writing the content into that file. So there is one function fwrite. So they return the number of a byte return or false if there was an error. So the function will stop at the end of the file or when it reaches the specified length, whichever comes first. This function is in a binary safe. Okay, by using the fwrite function, this is the syntax, file, string, and the length. So see, this is one example where we open one file in a write mode, and write this hi hello string in that file, and after that here we close the file. So let's test these functions. So going to program mode. So this is your the bracket editor. So start your the XAMPP server. In XAMPP server you start the Apache server as well as the MySQL server. So first we read the content of that the file. So first we create a new file. So file new. So hi, then hello, how are you? So this is your the file. Save this file in current directory by using the abc.txt. Okay. So this is your the program. Now here we open this file and read that the content. So see here we use the $fp as a file pointer and the fopen function. So pass here the abc.txt and open the file is in a read mode. Then see here if $fp, if the file opens successfully, then this pointer return true. So echo file open successfully, otherwise else error in opening file. So save these changes here, file open successfully. So if you pass here invalid file which are not available in this current directory, then this is one warning and error in opening file. Okay. So in read mode, then there is a need to present the file is in that the current directory. Okay. Then we print the content of that file. So here we use the one while loop. So see here by using the fgets function. So here echo fgets $fp. So see here they only print the first line of that file. If you want to print the whole content in that file, then use the one looping statement by using the while loop, and here we use feof function and pass here the file pointer. If your file is not the end of file, then they print the content of that file. Then see here hi hello how are you. So if you print the br tag, then see here hi hello how are you on new line. And there is one more function is that the fclose function, which is used at the end of the script. So here they freeze the memory which they are allocated in a file handling. Now we write the content. So here we use one string str is equal to welcome to PHP, and we want to write this string in a file. So $fp equal to fopen. For example, this is your file abc.txt. Open this file is in a write mode, and we write fwrite function. So pass this file pointer and this string. So save here, save. Now here we try to open this file abc.txt. See here, this is the message welcome to PHP. They content, so new, if the file is already exist in a current directory, then they override the content. Okay. So this is your the file abc.txt. If you use the new file xyz, then see here in directory structure, see here xyz.txt, here welcome to PHP. Okay. So these are the some basic operations in a file. So in this video we will learn how to read the content in that file and how to write the data in a file. So on next video we will see that the object oriented concept. So till if you have any queries, then comment on the query in comment box. Likes and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.